Hey, if you have the same issue with your PS5 Slim that you actually cannot use any buttons, anything, my controller is actually connected with the USB-C cable, so there's no way that it is disconnected. Take a look, nothing is actually working. So to fix this, you have to find the power button on your PS5 Slim. It's actually next to the USB-C ports. So now when you locate it, you have to click and hold it. You will hear 3 beeps. And now keep holding. Hold it all the time until your console just turns off. There we go. And now you have to release this button. And that's basically the simple way to perform the soft reset. Or you can also call it force restart. And now we have to click back on this power button to turn on our PS5 Slim, and now just basically wait until it will be turned on and then try to play games and apps. So as you can see, after a few seconds you will have this screen. It means that we successfully performed the soft reset, and now on your controller you have to click on this PlayStation button, and now it will lights up these indicators. As you can see, now we can click OK. And as you can see right now, we are back. Let me just focus the screen. So open your profile and now try to do something. Let's say that I want to open this game, and as you can see right now, it is working. So that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.